Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 21st of February 2023. Looking ahead at crypto markets so far today, it's been a relatively quiet one, if truth be told. Bitcoin just getting a little bit stuck at 25k. You can see there the August high proving a little bit of a challenge once again so far this week. We've had a knockback off that level and we are just in the red so far. We've got a pretty slowish day ahead in terms of data releases as well. So there's nothing really exciting or market moving coming out. If anything, we can see here that cryptos are actually moving almost in a world of their own at the moment. We did see that move high yesterday of 2%. It's a pretty important level now for Bitcoin to try and be able to get through. I would say it's pivotal. It's make or break. You can see a lot more enthusiasm should we're able to get through here, and we've all seen what happens when enthusiasm and euphoria exists in cryptos. There's been some hearings in Canadian inquiry. There's been a report from the Canadians' government use of emergency acts to quell last year's Freedom Convoy, but that's mainly how's crypto involved in that, because protesters were using crypto to openly defy the country's first ever crypto related sanctions. Chief Justice Rolau was recommending that strengthening controls on digital assets. So there's a little bit out of that should you wish to read on it, but apart from that there's nothing too much else. So yeah, Canada main stuff. We've got Coinbase earnings today, I believe. I'll just double check on that one. So yeah, if anything, Coinbase, you could look at that and think, okay, well, that could be a market moving one, but it's not really going to affect crypto levels, I wouldn't say, today. So we'll just focus on the technicals then. You can see Ethereum here currently trading at 1677. We've had a little bit of a knockback off 17, but we could see a follow through from 17 like Bitcoin to get through to 1790 is the next level overhead. You can see where I'm looking at on here. You had that trend line, so now it's looking at these lower highs on the daily that were printed, basically the significant ones. The next one, should we be able to get through here at 17, will be 1790, followed by 2000. Ripple pretty flat, currently 0.3770. Overhead we can see moves back into 0.4445. BTC we've covered. Litecoin has been struggling so far this week. You can see gaps lower, hasn't been able to fill the gap. On the Monday, that was the weekend trade obviously, and then we've been moving lower ever since. In fact, today we're lower on the day by a little bit more than you are looking on Ethereum and Bitcoin, for example. So we're looking like a triple top potentially here, and I said if we couldn't hold at 95, then we see probable moves down to 91.60 or even 88 from there. That's it from my end for the crypto session brief for today. If there's any further news, I'll bring it your way. Until next time, all the best of you trading, and bye for now.